Hello! Welcome to Miki's Kitchen. Today is the 130th day. I'll show you how to cook tempura soba. This is one of the most popular soba in Japan. You can enjoy crispy and soft texture of tempura because tempura soaks up the soba soup and becomes more delicious. Well, let's get started cooking. I've already made soba soup, so if you want to know how to make it, watch my 124th YouTube. So first, slice kamaboko or fish cake. Okay. Next, I'm gonna prepare shrimps. Peel shell of the shrimp. And devein using a toothpick. So cut the back. Okay. Then chop off the tips of the shrimp tail. Then press out the moisture from the shrimp with knife tip. Then make incision the belly. And open the cuts with hands. Okay. Okay. Then sprinkle salt and pepper. And sake over shrimps. Next, I'm gonna make tempura butter. I always use tempura powder if I cook small amount of ingredients. You can cook tempura with only this powder. So place tempura powder in a bowl. And add water. Then mix lightly. That's it, it's the batter. Now heat vegetable oil in a pot to around 180 degrees centigrade. Next, dust shrimps with tempura powder. By doing so, shrimps will be coated well with butter. Okay. Now coat shrimps with the butter. And deep fry them. Deep fry until they get golden brown color. Okay, take them to a tray. Turn off the heat. Next, I'm gonna boil soba noodles. Today, I'm gonna use this frozen soba. It needs 1 minute to boil. So, boil water in a pot. Then place soba in a pot and boil for 1 minute. 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay. So turn off the heat and drain down. And move to a bowl. Then place shrimps and kamaboko and garnish with green onion. And last, pour hot soba soup. Okay, that's it. It's time to eat. いただきます。It's so delicious. The shrimp is so crispy and goes very well with dashi flavor. You should try it. Well, tomorrow I'll cook udon dish. So see you tomorrow.